Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of investing. Because let's face it, 2025 is not the same as 2015 or even 2020. The markets are shifting, new technologies are rising, and the old safe bets might not always guarantee you growth anymore. Whether you're just starting your investment journey or you've been in the game for years, these 10 smart investment tips for 2025 will help you make confident, future-proof financial decisions. So, grab a notebook because you'll want to remember these. 1. Diversification is still king, but smarter. One of the golden rules of investing has always been diversification, and in 2025 that still holds true. But here's the catch. It's not just about spreading your money across different stocks anymore. Now you need smarter diversification. That means not only investing across industries like tech, healthcare, and energy, but also across geographies. With emerging markets in Asia and Africa growing faster than developed economies, having global exposure in your portfolio is more important than ever. Don't just buy US stocks and think you're safe. Consider international ETFs, global real estate funds, and even companies leading in developing countries. That way, if one economy takes a hit, your portfolio won't sink with it. 2. Keep an eye on artificial intelligence investments. Artificial intelligence is no longer a futuristic buzzword, it's shaping industries right now. From self-driving cars to AI-driven healthcare, automation is becoming the backbone of business. Companies leading the AI revolution, like those in cloud computing, semiconductor production, and machine learning platforms, are poised for explosive growth. But here's the smart investor tip. Don't just chase hype. Instead of putting all your money into one flashy AI stock, look for diversified AI-focused ETFs or companies with real-world applications of AI, not just big promises. In 2025, AI isn't just a trend, it's the infrastructure of the future economy. 3. Green energy and sustainability are long-term winners. With climate change policies tightening worldwide, the transition to green energy isn't slowing down, it's accelerating. Governments are pouring billions into clean technology, and companies that fail to adapt risk being left behind. As an investor, that means opportunities in solar power, wind energy, hydrogen technology, and battery storage. Electric vehicle companies and their supply chains, like lithium and rare earth minerals, are also promising areas. But be careful. Many green startups burn through cash quickly. Stick to companies with proven revenue models or established leaders in the sustainability space. By 2030, green energy could dominate markets, so planting your seeds in 2025 could give you massive returns. 4. Real estate. Think beyond traditional property. Real estate has always been a safe haven for investors, but the way people live and work in 2025 has changed. Remote work, co-living spaces, and smart homes are reshaping the market. Instead of just buying a physical property, consider REITs, real estate investment trusts, that give you exposure to commercial spaces, data centers, warehouses, and even digital infrastructure like cell towers. In fact, with cloud storage and online shopping booming, data centers and logistics warehouses are becoming some of the most profitable real estate sectors. So yes, real estate is still a solid investment, but in 2025, the smart move is to think beyond apartments and office buildings. 5. Don't ignore cryptocurrency and blockchain. Crypto is no longer just a playground for tech enthusiasts, it's becoming mainstream financial infrastructure. By 2025, central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are being tested in many countries, and blockchain applications are expanding beyond just digital coins. While Bitcoin and Ethereum remain the giants, the real opportunities may lie in blockchain technology powering finance, healthcare, and supply chain systems. But here's the golden rule. Never bet your life savings on crypto. It's volatile. The smart move is to allocate a small percentage of your portfolio, say 5 to 10%, to well-established crypto assets or blockchain ETFs. That way, you get the upside of innovation without risking total wipeout. 6. Keep cash flow investments in your portfolio. While growth stocks and futuristic tech are exciting, you should never ignore the power of steady, cash-flowing investments. These include dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, and even bonds in the right conditions. Why? Because cash flow protects you during downturns. If the market takes a dip, you'll still have income coming in. In 2025, with interest rates adjusting and inflation still unpredictable, having assets that generate passive income is a must. They balance out your high-risk plays and give you peace of mind. Save in. Learn to use technology for smarter investing. Investing in 2025 isn't just about what you buy, it's also about how you manage your money. With robo-advisors, AI-driven trading tools, and advanced investing apps, you can automate your portfolio and cut emotional decision-making. Many platforms now offer features like automatic rebalancing, tax loss harvesting, and AI-powered insights that were once only available to hedge funds. If you're not using these tools, you're leaving money on the table. The smart investor in 2025 knows how to combine human intuition with machine precision. 8. Hedge against inflation and uncertainty. Inflation has been the buzzword of recent years, and while central banks are working to control it, smart investors always prepare for uncertainty. Assets like gold, silver, commodities, and even inflation-protected bonds can act as hedges. In 2025, think about what people will always need: food, energy, housing. Investing in companies tied to these essentials gives you some protection when inflation eats away at cash. Remember, it's not about predicting every market move, it's about protecting yourself against risks. 9. Focus on long-term trends, not short-term noise. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is chasing short-term hype, jumping into a stock because it's trending on social media or spiking for a week. In 2025, the best investors are the ones who can see the bigger picture. Think long-term trends: aging populations needing healthcare, younger generations shaping consumer markets, the rise of automation, and the global shift toward digital everything. If you focus on industries set to grow over the next decade rather than the next month, your wealth will thank you. Smart investing is about patience, not panic. 10. Never stop educating yourself. The last tip may not sound like a traditional investment, but it's the most powerful. Invest in yourself. Financial education is the foundation of wealth. Markets evolve, new technologies emerge, and strategies change. If you stop learning, you risk falling behind. Read books, follow reliable financial news, listen to podcasts, or take online courses. By constantly upgrading your knowledge, you'll always be one step ahead. Remember, the best investment you can ever make is in your own mind. Conclusion. And there you have it, 10 smart investment tips you need in 2025. From AI and green energy to diversification and self-education, the opportunities are endless if you know where to look. The key takeaway? Don't just chase trends. Build a balanced, future-ready portfolio that can handle both risks and rewards. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who's serious about building wealth in 2025. And let me know in the comments, which of these investment tips are you already using, and which ones are you planning to try this year? Until next time, keep learning, keep investing, and keep building your future.